students, welcome back to social studies. Yes, everybody did this homework. That North Pole, South Pole. No, because I did not got anybody's homework back. Anyway, we'll see now about the latitudes, which we can see latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary line on the surface of the earth drawn on a map or a global. Yes, latitude is a line which is drawn on the both. Which are those? It might be on a map or it might be on a global. We can see at the both the figures. It might be on a map or it might be on a global. This helps us to locate the places. If we draw a line of a latitude, then it is very easy to identify the places, or it is very helpful to locate the places. Okay, next, this are in a full circle drawn around the global parcel or equalatory. Latitude is marked from 0 degree to 90 degrees Celsius of a north and 0 degree to 90 degrees Celsius of south. In global, how it is equalatory. It is divided into equalatory. We'll see how it has divided. I'll show it now, children. See, from 0 degree Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius from to the North Pole. Okay, from 0 degrees Celsius to from 90 degrees Celsius we can consider as south. Okay, yes, it is nothing but in global it is divided into equalatory. It is considered into the equalatory from 0 degree Celsius to 90 degree Celsius of a north, from 0 degree Celsius to 90 degree Celsius of a south. Okay, next we'll see equalatory is located into 0 degree latitude. Yes, the equalatory divided the planet into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The portions of the earth which is on the north of equator is called as northern hemisphere. The rest of the or else the half of the portion of the south which is known as equator is called as southern hemisphere. Equalatory is that a longest line, the attitude of the earth. Discuss why. See, because of why, children, I'll explain it. The longitude represent the zone of the earth. Yes, obviously we got through, no, right? As well as we can see from 0 degree Celsius to 90 degree Celsius, we can see that on the North Pole, that North Pole will known as northern hemisphere. From 0 degree Celsius to 90 degree Celsius of the east, we can consider as, yes, southern hemisphere. Because of why? See, I'll explain it. Is very easy. From 0 degree Celsius to 90 degree Celsius of a North Pole, from 0 to 90 it is a South Pole. It is in equalatory. It has equal. See, there is any line? No, but it has equal. 0 to 90 north, 0 to 90 south, from west to east pole, right? So, such case is known as, from North Pole 0 to 90 degree we can consider as northern hemisphere. From 0 to 80 degree of southern pole we will consider as southern hemisphere. Okay, we got to know. Now we'll see. Study the figure 1 and label the following figure and prime meridian, North Pole and South Pole. See, children, this will be your homework. Make sure of it. What you have to, now only I explained. From 0 degree to 90 degree Celsius northern pole, that is known as northern hemisphere. From 0 to 90 degree is known as a south pole, that is known as southern hemisphere. Same you should apply here, that south pole, north pole, east, west and such degrees. You have to just draw here. Just copy, paste here. Okay. Next we'll see a longitudes, that imaginary lines is joined from North Pole to South Pole is known as a meridian longitudes, and which has, yes, see, they are semicircle. See, I'll show it. Which all the line joined from North Pole to South Pole. which all the line is drawn from north pole to south pole, that is known as meridian of longitudes, which all the line is joined, that is known as meridian of longitudes. Okay, in which way it is joined? It is joined in straight way? No, it is joined in the circle, in the way of semi. Yes, right? It is joined in the way of semi, right? Yes, yes. The longitudes which pass through the Greenwich and Newland near London is known as a prime meridian, which takes us 0 degree Celsius. See, everybody can see this 0 degree Celsius. Yes, the line is passed through Greenwich near London. Especially this is this line is passed near the London, so that which is known as prime meridian. Okay, yes, as well as we can see here, right? See, this line is known as prime meridian. Where it is, see, in this we can see clarity. From northern poles to southern pole, 90 degree Celsius. So this line is 0 degree Celsius. This line is known as prime meridian. Okay, yes, we'll see now next. The earth is divided into equally that 360 degree of longitude, that 180 degree of longitude of east of a prime meridian, and also 180 degree to the longitude the west prime meridian of the east is known as prime meridian. It also 180 degree longitude which west to the prime meridian. Yes, see children, total earth we can consider as how many degrees Celsius? 360 degree Celsius, right? Yes, now in that we can see 180 degree to the east and 180 degree to the west. Total the circle of the earth is how many degrees Celsius? 360 degree Celsius, right? Yes, if we divide it from west to east, see, this is the prime meridian. From prime meridian to the east we can consider 180 degree, because 90 degree from north to east 190 degree, from east to south 90 degree. Total how much? 90 180 degree. Okay, next we'll see left side. From left side 0 degree Celsius to 90 degree. Yes, from 0 degree Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius, from north to west. Again from west to south, again 90 degree. Total how many degrees? 180 degree. Total 360 degree. Clear? We got through now, right? So easy, right? Yes, that is known as prime meridian. Prime meridian is the center line, or this is center pole of 0 degree Celsius from 0 to 90 to north to east, and east to south is 180 degree, from south to west, from west to north, left side and right side 180 degree. Total the earth is equilateral, we can consider as 360 degree. Okay, yes, locate the prime meridian on the internet and find the Greenwich map, and there is no necessity of this. You just what all I thought now, go through it once. It is very easy. Okay, yes. Next we'll see children, this will be your homework. See what all they draw the names of the following the figures about equilateral, north pole, south pole, Antarctic circle, Antarctic circle, and Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn, and prime meridian, and Arctic circle. Those all they drawn here. Just go through it once and copy paste here. Okay, this and all, this is an activity. Don't go through it, we'll see it later. You just copy paste here. Okay, anyways students, bye. Meet you at the next class with a new topic. Okay.